Okay, so we have these two are done. This one's no charge. So we have plungers in there, so you could remove these from the inside easily, and there's no more messing with those clips. That's very old technology. And here we are. Everything's nice, super clear, and everybody has a plunger where it belongs. You just pull on these, they're spring loaded. Pull on those, they're spring loaded. And yeah, clean, bright, and new. These things are replaced where they needed to be. One of these, the metal was bent really bad. I had to put in a new one on it. Okay, good. Nice, tight, nothing loose. Looks great.